Today I'm gonna start with my
Radiator.
radiator reservoir, properly mounted to the frame, no bolts missing, not cracked or broken, proper fluid, cap properly secured. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and check my washer fluid reservoir, properly mounted to the
Firewall.
firewall, bolts missing, proper fluid level, not cracked or broken, cap properly secured, no signs of any leaks. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and check my airlines. General, all good conditions, not cracked, broken, no signs of any leaks. Air valve also in good conditions, properly mounted to the firewall, no signs of any leaks. From there, I'm gonna go ahead and jump to my steering column, not cracked or broken, no signs of any legal welds. I gotta check my it doesn't have no more than 2 inches or 2 inches of free play.
Excuse me.
Knuckles in good conditions, no bolts missing, not cracked or broken. And from there, I'm gonna go ahead and check my air brake compressor, properly mounted to the engine. Lines running in and out of it, no signs of any leaks. This one is gear driven. This is my gearbox here in front of it, not cracked, bent, or broken, properly mounted to the engine. No signs of any leaks. Next, I got my power steering pump in good conditions, properly mounted to the gearbox. No signs of any leaks in good conditions. And then I'm gonna check my dipstick. The way I check that is I pull it out. By cleaning straight back in, pull it out. It needs to be above the refill line. If I need oil, put it into the oil receiver. We gotta make sure the oil receiver is properly secured at all times. From then I want to jump to check my power steering reservoir. Not cracked, broken, proper fluid level, cap properly secured, properly mounted to the bracket properly mounted to the frame. Now that I mentioned my frame, it's also in good conditions, not cracked, broken, free from any illegal welds. Power steering gearbox properly mounted to the frame, no bolts missing, not cracked, broken, no signs of any leaks. Hoses running in and out of it, also in good conditions, free from any leaks. Pitman arm, properly mounted to the power steering gearbox, no bolts missing, not cracked or broken. Followed by the casting nut and cotter pin in place. Drag link in good conditions, not cracked, bent, broken, free from any illegal welds. Control arms, top and bottom, both in good conditions, not cracked or broken. Followed by the casting nuts and cotter pins in place. Tie rod in good conditions, not cracked, bent, or broken, no illegal welds in good conditions. And it's also followed by the casting nut and cotter pin in place. And from there, I'm gonna jump over here to check my leaf springs, not cracked, bent, broken, or shifted in any way. And I got my bumper stopper in good conditions, not cracked, broken, or missing. The U-bolts in good conditions, not cracked, bent, or broken. They're properly secured to the front axle, no bolts missing. Now that I mentioned, my front axle is also in good conditions, not cracked, broken, free from any illegal welds. I do have two hanging supports, one here in the front, one here in the back. They are both properly mounted to the frame, no bolts missing, and not cracked and or broken. Next up, I have my oil pan, properly mounted to the engine, no bolts missing, not cracked or broken, free from any leaks. Hydraulic shock absorber, good conditions, properly mounted to the frame, no bolts missing, free from any leaks. And then from there, I'm going to check my airline, good conditions, not cracked, broken, signs of any leaks. Followed by the air brake chamber. This front air brake chamber does not have any spring brakes, so that's why it's fairly smaller than the rear ones. No signs of any leaks, cracked or broken. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and check over here my slack adjuster. Slack adjuster itself is in good conditions, not cracked, broken, no bolts missing. And I'm gonna check my push rods. There's one here, one on the one here. Two, both of my push rods in good conditions, not cracked, broken, no pins missing. The way I check the slack adjuster is I shock my wheels, get in my pocket for safety, release both of my valves, push them in, put on a glove, and I pull on the slack adjuster. If it has more than 1 inch of free play, it needs to be adjusted or replaced by a professional. Next, I'm going to check the inside of my tire with my brake drums. Brake drums in good conditions, not cracked or broken, free from any oils, and it should not be no less than 1/2 material. Brake linings in good conditions, not cracked or broken, free from any oils, as that will create a fire or brake failure. And they should be no less than 1/4 material. If they ask you guys to be more specific, the brake drum is known as a rotor. Brake linings are known as brake shoes or brake pads. And then I'm gonna jump over here and check my tire. I'll be checking the back, top, and the front. These are 432 inches of thread. Recaps are not allowed in the front steering axles, only virgin radials. There's no uneven wear on top of my tire. Next, I'll be checking the back and the front of my walls, make sure there's no bumps, cuts, or abrasions on them. And now I'll be checking that the tires properly seated to the rim, front and back. Make sure there's no gap in between. If there's a gap in between, it means it needs air like this one does. Here. It's a little bit of air. It needs about a good about 60 pounds. It's a lot. Next time I'll be checking my rim, front and back. There's no dents, cracks, or any illegal welds, as that will put my truck out of service immediately. Jump into my pilot lugs, make sure they're all accounted for, not cracked, broken, or missing. If they show rust or shiny thread around it, it's an indication that it needs to be retightened or replaced by a professional. Axle hub seal, no bolts missing, no signs of any leaks, proper oil level. Air valve, the way I'll check the air valves, gotta make sure it's in good conditions, not cracked, broken, or missing, free from any leaks. The way I'll check it is with the gauge. Tire pressure needs to be no less than 80 psi, no more than 100 psi. They ask you to be more specific, or you guys want to throw it out there. Less than 80 psi, so there's no any internal damage. More than 100 psi can be a blowout. People say, nah, no se revienta. These things, when they're super heavy loaded, and it's more than 100 psi, agarra cualquier piedrita que agarre picuda, boom, blowout. The last thing I'm gonna check over here is all my wires in general. Make sure they're in good condition. Make sure they're not frayed or spliced in any way. What is spliced? Sale chicano cuando ya le arrancaste y le pegaste y le pusiste tape. You cannot have any splices or frayed cuando ya están tostados. And the last thing I'm gonna check here is my splash guard. Make sure it's in good condition. My track broken properly mounted to the frame. They ask you to be more specific. The splash guard is here in case y'all run over into a big bottle of water. The water doesn't splash into my engine and create any damage such as the electrical wires.